Hello viewers. In the last few classes we have been doing solving problems related to BDS, MDS, basic chemical, biochemical, medical and dental chemistry problems. And this is the question number 17. Let us do the problem now. Painful aphasia in oral cavity may be treated with a solution of silver nitrate prescribed below. That's in Latin, and the numbers given the mass in grams. The numbers give the mass in grams, and the Latin proposition add means to the total mass of the solution. So we have Argentine nitrates 2 aqueous distillate add 5 ml salt. That means that Argentine nitrates means silver nitrate. Here 2 means 2 grams. Aqueous distillate means distilled water. So that total mass of the solution is 50 grams. So we have 3 problems here. Calculate the concentration of silver nitrate. Calculate the concentration of silver nitrate in mass percentage. A. That is, B part is prescribe the same amount of the solution with the double concentration, and C part is prescribe double amount of the solution with the same concentration. How to solve such problems? We have 2 grams of silver nitrate present in 50 grams, altogether 50 grams of the solution. So mass percentage can be calculated as follows. Let us look the method of solving this problem. This is first silver nitrate. We know this is 2 grams silver nitrate in distilled water solution. Total mass is equal to 50 grams. So concentration of silver nitrate is mass percentage is calculated by mass of silver nitrate per 100 grams when the total volume is only 50 grams. So it is 2 times 100 divided by 50. Concentration of silver nitrate in mass percentage is the mass of silver nitrate per 100 gram of the solution. We have only 50 grams of the solution. So 2 divided by 50 times 100, or 2 multiplied by 100 divided by 50, that is equal to 4% is the answer for the first question. The concentration of silver nitrate mass percentage is 4%. The second part of the question is we want to have the same amount of solution with a double concentration. Same amount of solution with a double concentration is obtained by adding. Instead of 2 grams here, we are adding 4 grams of silver nitrate in distilled water. Solution total mass is equal to 50 grams. So when it is 4 grams added, 4 times 100 divided by 50 will be the value, that is equal to 8%. And in Latin we can say that Argentine nitrates 4 aqueous distillate add 50.0 ml of salt. That is the prescription list. Similarly, the third problem also can be solved. We want a double amount of the solution with the same concentration. We want the double amount of the solution with the same concentration, means 4%. So in the second B part, it is 8% is obtained by double solute adding in the same concentration, same volume of the solution. Here it is different. We want a double amount of the solution, that is 100 ml we want, 100 gram we want, with the same concentration. So that we want to add 4 grams of silver nitrate in distilled water solution, and the total mass is 100 grams. 100 grams of the solution is obtained by mixing 4 grams of silver nitrate and distilled water. Total mass is 100 grams. So 4 times 100 divided by 100, that is equal to 4% solution. Same solution is obtained as in the A case. Same solution. And what is the prescription? Argentine nitrates 4 aqueous distillate add 100 ml of salt. Add means added to, and so that the total gram these numbers are in grams of 4 gram and 100 gram. That's the answer. A and B and C parts are solved. If you have any doubt, just make in the comment box, and everything is included in the bottom of every video, where the details, the video details are there, and you can see the calculation directly from there also. If you find this video useful, please do subscribe and push the bell button. We will be back again with several questions related to this field of dentistry, medical science, and general biochemistry, etc. Thank you very much. Bye.